I was asked to create a girl gnome. So I have two designs, this one and this one. I think I'm gonna like this one better. I'm gonna put that together next. It comes with 3 57mm discs and then 5 18mm, oops, I'm sorry, 4 18mm to put this together. Or actually, yeah. So this piece, I determined it just doesn't, like, this extrudes at half the rate of this one. So I'm gonna make this piece just that hair and then create a extra disc with this small piece of hair. It will extrude easier. I know it's one extra disc and another little bit of extra extruding, but it's actually going to be less extruding in the long run because you're going to have to extrude a lot more with this piece to get enough length, and then you have a whole lot of extra of that. It's just, yeah, that's why I test it. I also have to fix this. It wasn't quite thick enough. As you can see, the edges just, that part didn't extrude. I have a little fix it for myself, but I'll fix the disc so that that's not an issue. So what I'm going to do first is put the feet on. So you have a foot, they just go round side to the outside, and they fit in like so. So pretty simple to put the feet in. Just going to paint that with distilled water, and then I'll put those in. So I have this body upside down, and I'm just gently pushing in because, again, I don't want to deform the top of the body. Do I have that the right way? Yep. Okay. There are my feet. Now, as you can see from the portion that did extrude, there should be red covering over the feet. When I fix that, there will be. But until then, I just extruded some extra lengths of the bow that I can put over it just to kind of fill it in. So you don't need to do this step. But I just, and I could probably just not do it and put the hair on and it would be fine, but I want the body going a little further down over the feet. So I'm just going to add this little attachment to kind of fix my extruding problem. Okay, so next I'm going to put the ribbon on the top piece of the hair, and then I'm going to attach the hair, the top piece of the hair, to the body. So if you look at this, the bumps go to the inside and the lesser bumps, the smoother side, goes to the outside, and then the hair tie sits right on there. So I'm just going to flip it upside down and attach that to the top. Okay. I'm going to do that for the other piece. So that's the inside, that's the bottom. So, next up, so this hair piece goes up. It's going to go over the nose, which I don't have on the body yet. So I'm going to put the nose on and then attach the hair piece. It'll just make it easier. I know I said I was going to put the hair on, but I lied. We're going to put the nose and then we'll put the hair on. That will give you a guide so you can see. There's just a little spot on top where you can put the nose on. It won't be completely anchored in place. The hair is going to anchor it to the gnome. Okay. So now, oops, do I have this the right way? I have it upside down. Like, why does this not look right? Okay, so you see how the hair is going to fit into those grooves and then comes up over the nose a little bit. You don't put it down because the smaller piece is going to go on the bottom. Even though it will feel like it fits, it doesn't go there. It goes on the top grooves. You need to leave that bottom groove for the piece of hair, that piece of hair there. Okay, so that's how that fits in, and it should fit in pretty easy and snugly if you just kind of gently squeeze it in place. Okay, so there's, and my nose shifted a little bit. Oh well, she's got a sideways nose. I don't think that's through the whole thing. So now this piece should go the other way. So that will fit right on top there, and then we'll put the hair in and then the hat. So again, you just have to make sure you get it in the right grooves on top and that you leave the bottom open for the bottom piece of hair. And you see, it should fit right in there, and you can just kind of gently squeeze it in place. Whoops. Okay. Now for the hair, the bottom portion of the hair. Just trim this. That. So when you're doing the hair, you're going to see one side, which has 1, 2, 3 grooves, and one side that has 1 on the top. That 1 goes on the inside, and the 3 go on the outside. So it should fit in just like that. Again, just paint each piece before you attach it with distilled water. And then just kind of slide that right into place. Just don't push too hard to disform it. You don't want to lose the outside curls. But yeah, so that's one side. Now let's figure out the other side. So again, find this side has the 3 notches, this side just has the one. The one with the one side is what goes inside. And then last we have the hat. Voila! Isn't she cute? I like it. Now I'm gonna do the other one, which I think that design will be a little bit cuter, but this one is definitely cute. I like it. I will take it. So as you see, it's definitely has a few steps to put these together. The gnomes are a little complicated, but I'm pleased with how that turned out. So I get to make some soap with that.